Sony WI-1000XM2 in-ear wireless noise cancellation headphones launched in India. Sony India on Monday unveiled the latest addition to its family of wireless in-ear headphones, the new WI-1000XM2, priced at Rs. 21,990. According to the company, the headphones feature the most advanced noise-cancelling technology ever in this wireless neckband headphones, thanks to the power of the dedicated HD noise-cancelling processor QN1. They will be available in black color variant at launch. The company is also touting adaptive sound control for smart listening, wherein the headphones automatically adjust ambient sound based on the user's activity. The stable fitting structure, with an angled earphone design, aims to prevent ambient noise from entering the ear, while the dual noise sensor technology cancels any noise. The headphones also feature a soft silicone neckband design, compared to the hard neckband of their predecessor, the Sony WI-1000XM1. The Sony WI-1000XM2 in-ear wireless noise cancellation headphones come with a built-in microphone and is compatible with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. They also support high-res audio. The battery delivers up to 10 hours of power when fully charged and also comes with a quick charge function that delivers 80 minutes of playback after 10 minutes of charging, something the headphone's predecessor didn't offer. It uses a USB Type-C port for charging. It features Bluetooth V5.0 connectivity, but users can also utilize a detachable 3.5mm headphone jack. The Sony WI-1000XM2 in-ear wireless noise cancellation headphones will be available at all Sony centers, major electronic stores and e-commerce websites in India from January 6 onwards. They feature a foldable design, and also ship with a carrying case. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.